Okay, what a wonderful thing to wake up for. My fridge absolutely broke. It's not freezing anything now. So I'm going to get ice. It's a full fridge. And then I finally have to... Oh, I have no other choice, right, but to get a new one. Oh, sorry, it's loud here. Day in the life of a strong and independent woman. Okay, this item absolutely broke today. So, yeah, I took it out of there, being afraid that it leaked and I can, well, create some disaster in the apartment downstairs. Went to Home Depot trying to find something to replace it. And you know what they said? Even though their website says that they can haul away an old fridge, they said they won't. So I just wasted time going there. Came back and ordered it in the store, which I checked the very first one a couple days ago, and there was nothing. And now they had what I needed. I don't know, maybe I was just blind and I didn't see it, but now they do have it. Now this guy is full of ice, and I hope the food in there, because it's packed, I hope it will be okay till Tuesday, and maybe I can save at least half of it. Because I hate throwing away food, like such a waste. Just, yeah. And tomorrow, of course, I couldn't deal with it tomorrow because I am on the set the whole day tomorrow, from early morning till the evening, and then on Tuesday they will deliver. So I hope it will survive, and they will take this one with them, and I hope that one will fit, because it's like really tight, really very, very tight, but whatever. And it's almost 10 p.m. and only now I'm starting to get ready for tomorrow, and at 8:30 a.m. I already have to be on set. I have to steam the clothes for tomorrow, pack everything, do my nails, wash my hair, and I'm afraid I won't make it to bed early. But well, it is what it is. Here's the clothes to be steamed. Packed also. They say come wearing one of the costumes, but it'll be disgusting when I get to the set, so I will just come in whatever I want and get dressed there. I have a friend, by the way, who also is an actor, and he has someone who is a stand-in for the TV show that I will be in tomorrow. He's a stand-in for the lead, and he told me the name. of who's in there. So it will be interesting. Like, I love that actor. I unfortunately can't share right now, but as soon as I can, I will. Okay, I'll go do something useful. But you know what? Being strong and independent is kinda... what would I call it? Too much sometimes. Because things are happening at the same time. Everything happens simultaneously. And I can only make some sounds. I can't even describe it verbally, what it feels like. Because I was, again, angry today. Very, very angry. Very, very, very angry. But whatever. Then I remembered that self-esteem grows with achievements. And I thought figuring out the fridge just during one day, for me, who never was strong and independent, is an achievement. So my self-esteem will grow. At least that's how I try to persuade myself that it's okay. And obviously it's not okay. Such things are never okay. And you never want to deal with them, but you have to. Because there's nobody to take care of you and your things and your problems. You would think I should have gotten used to it already, but no. It'll take a while. Yeah. Okay, I'll go do something for tomorrow, to prepare for tomorrow. 2:15 a.m. I'll have to wake up like at 6 probably. Yeah, me and going to bed early never works. But I keep trying. And surprise, surprise, I don't really want to sleep. This sleeping schedule of mine is pretty bizarre. But it's okay. If I have dark circles under my eyes, their makeup artist will cover them. So I'll be fine. And my mom really helped me today. She steamed everything I need for tomorrow. So in the morning, I will just have to pack everything, put that bare minimum they told me to do on my face, and go. 8:30, I have to be on the set. Whew. Oh, by the way, yesterday it was in Connecticut. It was Long Island, Hamptons. I don't know why I thought it was Connecticut. Only on my way, looking at the signs, I was like, oh, so this is where we're going. Okay. Whew. I guess that's it. And even though my fridge absolutely broken right now, it's like a standing disaster in my kitchen, right there. I'm kind of happy that it became urgent, and I spent one day doing everything and arranging everything, and on Tuesday they should deliver the new fridge and take this one with them. Then I know myself I would spend another couple days or maybe 3 days looking at every single website, because when I'm shopping I need to open and take a look at absolutely all the options and make sure I choose the best. And today it was kind of like, okay, it's already 9 p.m. I haven't prepared for the shooting at all, so I will just go with this one, and that's it. And yeah, I was kind of disappointed in Home Depot, but okay, whatever. They lost a client in me by just stating one thing on the website and another thing in the store. And yeah, even though on the website they say that they will haul away your old appliance, I tried. I thought maybe it's like an online option, but no, they didn't give it to me. So they lost a client. Don't do that, Home Depot. Don't lie to your clients, possible clients, because they would never become real clients. So I went with Best Buy. Funny that the first day I looked at Best Buy and they didn't have anything that worked for my kitchen. And then suddenly today they did. Lucky coincidence for me. I will probably read a little bit to put myself to bed, because reading kind of makes me sleepy. I thought maybe I should take melatonin, but then like waking up at 6, I think it's a bad idea. It will be very hard for me to pull myself out of bed. So I'll just see what happens. Maybe I'll just fall asleep after a couple of pages. I received a thick book today about how to work on my voice. That's the method that my teacher used. And oh my god, like that body work he did on me, it was amazing. It's like my voice before and after, I could hear the difference. And my classmates were like, wow, that's a huge difference. So yeah, since I'm a nerd, I have to read the whole thing and keep doing it, because after the class was over, I stopped doing it. And I should not, because voice is like an instrument. You have to keep practicing to be using it good. So looking forward to starting reading it. Okay, enough speaking from me. Too much talking, too much blah blah blah. I hope everyone had a great, what was it today? Monday, beginning of the week. And I wish everyone an easy week. We still have 4 days to go to the weekend, till the weekend. I'll see what I can shoot tomorrow on the set, because not much is allowed. Really not much. So I'll see what I can share. It's going to be exciting, but it's going to be a lot of waiting. But I'm excited. I think I will be happy tomorrow. Much happier than with my fridge broken. Heated. You hear me? I hate you. Why did you break in the middle of summer when it's so hot outside and you're full of food? Who does that, right? Okay, enough talking. Thank you so much for listening as usual, and I'll talk to you tomorrow. Good night.